Making money with cryptocurrency today offers several exciting avenues, each catering to different risk tolerances and investment strategies. One popular method is hodling, where you buy a cryptocurrency and hold it long-term, hoping its value appreciates. If you bought Bitcoin at $20,000 and it skyrockets to $100,000, that's a significant profit. Then there's trading, which involves buying and selling frequently to capitalize on market fluctuations. This requires skill and timing, as the crypto market can be incredibly volatile. For those looking for a more passive approach, staking allows you to earn rewards by holding coins in a wallet to support network operations. Yield farming is another option, where you provide liquidity to DeFi protocols and earn interest or tokens in return. However, be cautious of impermanent loss. Mining is a classic method, rewarding you with new coins for validating transactions, but it demands substantial hardware and energy. Crypto airdrops can also be lucrative, giving you free tokens for completing simple tasks, though you must research their value. NFTs represent unique digital assets, and if you buy low and sell high, they can be profitable, but the market is speculative. Affiliate marketing in crypto allows you to earn commissions by referring users to exchanges, while participating in ICOs or IDOs can lead to profits if the projects succeed. Each method has its risks, so it's essential to choose wisely based on your knowledge and comfort level.